This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for June 27, 2023. It's currently April 23rd, 2023, 10:14 p.m. Eastern Time. And the shuffle file that we're about to play was created on February 26, 2023 at 11:11 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have a failed attempt to break through key resistance followed by a decline through key support. And it's a failed attempt to break through key resistance that technicals would lead us to believe we're going to break through. Instead, we decline through key support. Behavior around the highest high, we push the upper end of a range higher on a one-day scale. Behavior around the lowest low, there's a significant decline standing out on at least a one-day scale, taking us into a lowest low. I'm advised to trade around a sideways fluctuating decline that precedes a rally, and it looks like volume is definitively bearish. Looks like throughout the day with the Ace of Cups. For the 27th, looks like we have a rally that I'm advised not to chase a rally midday. And overall, early in the morning, we declined through to a support level that we recently declined through once before. An important price level highlighted there as well. Midday. So in the pre-market, we have a cross-congruency. This oppression card is the sneak preview from the prior day. There's an important range that's highlighted here in the pre-market, and it looks like it's probably to the downside there. A prominent move higher followed by a retracement of that move right around the open, and a notable decline in the first half hour off of a crest right around the open. A notable decline to meet a key support that we recently met before. A period of volatility between roughly 10 and 11 ends with a fast sudden move higher, taking us to an overbought crest or peak between roughly 11 and 12, closer to 12, that we sell off through multiple support levels midday. A lot of price change midday. It looks like we have a day's low, not too far off from a high. There's a day's low midday, probably around 1 o'clock. Matter of fact, it might be later in the day. It might be in that 2 to 3 o'clock hour. We'll have to see. But there's a notable reversal at a key range on a multi-day scale. There's a notable reversal there between roughly 1 and 2, and then a prominent drop between 2 and 3, taking us to support level that we established in the last hour with a prominent move higher off of that support level, and then we established support at a higher level with sideways fluidity going into the close. So a peak or crest there right around the close. I'm advised to be cautious. The prudence card speaks of multiple false tops or bottoms or some sort of tricky technical chart behavior. So be cautious there. An important trade on a multi-day scale. The prior day on the the following day on the 28th, and we'll get into that momentarily, my friends. Thank you for watching. That's the S&P 500 one-day reading for June 27th. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, my friends, thank you so much for following that rule of karma. 5% of the profits forward to one of these charities. 5% of the profits back to the channel here through Cashapp or PayPal. And make sure you spend that money out of love. As long as you spend that money out of love, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold from all directions, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.